Difference between cast aluminum and extruded aluminum. When manufacturers melt ingots of aluminum and its alloys and then pour it into a mold to give a particular product shape, this is cast aluminum. Casting aluminum products are made by different types of casting processes such as sand casting, die casting, permanent mold casting, etc. On the other hand, when hot billets of aluminum and its alloys are pushed through a die in order to make a particular cross-section, this is extruded aluminum. Extruded aluminum products can be made by different types of extrusion processes such as cold extrusion, hot extrusion, friction extrusion, micro extrusion, etc. Difference points. The manufacturing process is not the only difference between cast aluminum and extruded aluminum. More differences are shown in the cast aluminum versus extruded aluminum table below. Product size. Cast aluminum is not dependent on the size of ingots. Extruded aluminum is limited to the size of the billet. Product's shape. Cast aluminum products have more complex shapes than extruded aluminum. Extruded aluminum products are simpler than cast aluminum products. Surface finish. Cast aluminum products have a rough surface finish after casting. Extruded aluminum products have a smoother surface finish after extrusion. Strength of part. Cast aluminum products are subjected to more defects and have less strength than extruded aluminum. Extruded aluminum products have fewer defects and more strength. Die properties. Cast aluminum casting dies are costlier and do not last as long as extrusion dies. Extrusion dies are cheaper and last longer. Cost of production. Cast aluminum short volume production costs more, but large volume production costs less. Extruded aluminum short volume production costs less, but large volume production costs more. Time of production. Cast aluminum takes more time than extrusion to produce a part. Extruded aluminum takes less time than casting to produce a part. Which aluminum alloys are suitable for extrusion? Different aluminum alloys serve different purposes because they have different mechanical properties. Some alloys are comparatively lighter in weight, while others are stronger and more durable. As aluminum extrusion is one of many aluminum parts manufacturing processes, some particular alloys are suitable for extrusion. For example, 1050 and 3100 alloys. These aluminum alloys are non-heat treatable, but they have good corrosion resistivity and thermal conductivity. The 3100 alloys have better weldability than 1050 alloys. 5083 alloy. This aluminum alloy is easier to weld than 6000 series aluminum alloys. It is also high corrosion resistive against salt water, and therefore this alloy is most suitable in the marine industries. 6000 series alloys. 6000 series aluminum alloys are the most suitable alloys for extrusion. There are different alloys in this series such as 6005, 6061, 6063, 6463, and more. However, 6005 alloys have higher durability and strength than others. The 6063 alloy is popular for having a better surface finish, and it also heat treatable. The 6463 alloy is quite similar to the 6063 alloys, but it is mostly used for architectural purposes, unlike the 6063 alloys. Which aluminum alloys are suitable for casting? Below are the aluminum alloys which are most suitable for casting. A 380 and a 383 alloys. Both these aluminum alloys are lightweight and quite strong at a higher temperature. They are extremely stable, corrosion resistant, which have good thermal conductivity, and also suitable for complex parts. But a 383 is less durable than a 380. A 360 alloy. This aluminum alloy has better ductility and corrosion resistivity than the previous two alloys. The A360 alloy is also suitable for making complex components, but this one is a pressure casting aluminum alloy and is harder to cast than the A380 and a 383 alloys. ZA8, ZA12, and ZA27 alloys. These are zinc aluminum alloys, and the number in the name indicates the percentage of aluminum in the alloy. Higher aluminum makes a higher melting point and higher density for the alloys. ZA8 is suitable for hot chamber casting, but ZA12 is for cold chamber casting. Cast aluminum versus extruded aluminum. Which one should you choose? Both cast aluminum and extruded aluminum have advantages and disadvantages over each other, but manufacturers can make some components by only using the casting process and vice versa. So which one you choose will depend on the part that you need. For example, if you want to produce door or window frames, handrails, irrigational pipes, seamless tubes, then extrusion is better, because these are simple structures and are easier to extrude rather than casting. This will also save production costs. On the other hand, if you want to produce complex parts like engine components, air valves, chassis, clutch bracket, etc., then casting is the best choice. These complex parts are not possible to produce with the extrusion process. Sunrise Metal, one of China's best die-casting aluminum product manufacturer. If you're looking for the best die-casting aluminum manufacturer in China, contact Sunrise Metal. In Sunrise Metal, we have the most advanced and modern technology for die-casting aluminum alloys. We also offer additional casting services like machining and finishing of the products. Why choose us? Our engineers have 10+ years of experience in aluminum die casting. We provide mechanical design and constructive design proposals for the parts. In the tooling stage, we provide PPAP and DFM design for manufacturing. Sunrise Metal provides services not only in China, but also internationally. Advanced measuring equipment to ensure optimum quality control. Offer a one-stop aluminum casting service that saves both time and cost of production. 4 other dedicated facilities apart from die casting, including rapid prototyping, CNC machining, and surface finishing. Aside from aluminum alloys, Sunrise Metal also provides services for zinc alloys. However, we mostly work with the 360, a 383, a 380, ZA8, ZA12, ZA27, Zomic alloys, and some other aluminum die casting alloys. Our die casting service includes vacuum die casting, pressure die casting, hot chamber, and cold chamber die casting. For cast aluminum alloys, we use cold chamber die casting, but for zinc alloys, we use hot chamber casting.